Are you tired of diets that promise quick fixes but leave you feeling deprived and unsatisfied? What if there was a sustainable eating plan that not only aids in weight loss, but also boosts your overall health? Enter the DASH diet, a scientifically proven approach that's more than just a fad. Stay tuned to discover how this diet can transform your life. Welcome to Wellness Journey, where we delve into health and nutrition topics to empower you on your wellness journey. Today, we're exploring the DASH diet, originally designed to combat high blood pressure, but now recognized for its weight loss benefits. How does it work, and can it fit into your lifestyle? Let's break it down. Understanding the DASH diet. What sets the DASH diet apart from other eating plans, and why is it hailed by health experts? DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. It's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, emphasizing nutrient-dense foods while limiting sodium, added sugars, and saturated fats. Unlike restrictive diets, DASH promotes balance and variety, making it more sustainable and enjoyable. But how does a diet aimed at reducing blood pressure contribute to weight loss? The science behind DASH and weight loss. Can a diet designed for heart health also be effective for shedding pounds? Absolutely. The DASH diet's emphasis on whole foods naturally reduces calorie intake and increases satiety, leading to weight loss. High fiber content from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps you feel full longer, curbing overeating. Lean proteins support muscle maintenance and boost metabolism, aiding in fat loss. So, what does a typical day on the DASH diet look like? Crafting a DASH diet meal plan. How can you create satisfying meals that align with the DASH diet principles? Start your day with a hearty breakfast. Oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts. For lunch, enjoy a quinoa salad loaded with colorful vegetables and grilled chicken. Snack on a handful of almonds or carrot sticks with hummus. Dinner could be baked salmon with steamed broccoli and brown rice. Dessert? Opt for a bowl of mixed fruit or low-fat yogurt. But what if you're dining out or have a sweet tooth? Can the DASH diet accommodate your lifestyle? Adapting the DASH diet to your lifestyle. Is it possible to stick to the DASH diet when eating out or craving indulgent foods? Yes, flexibility is key. When dining out, choose dishes that are grilled, baked, or steamed, and request sauces on the side to control sodium intake. For sweet cravings, enjoy naturally sweet fruits or a small piece of dark chocolate in moderation. The DASH diet isn't about perfection, but making healthier choices consistently. What real-life success stories demonstrate the effectiveness of the DASH diet? Real-life success with the DASH diet. Can the DASH diet lead to tangible health improvements and weight loss? Take Izzy's story, for example. After adopting the DASH diet, she lost excess weight and significantly lowered her blood pressure within 2 years. Studies have shown that individuals following the DASH diet experience greater weight loss and health benefits compared to traditional weight loss treatments. While the benefits are clear, what challenges might you face when starting the DASH diet? Overcoming challenges on the DASH diet. What obstacles might you encounter, and how can you navigate them effectively? Challenge 1. Reducing sodium intake can be tough. Solution. Enhance flavors with herbs and spices instead of salt. Challenge 2. Meal planning feels overwhelming. Solution. Utilize resources like the A Week with the DASH Eating Plan guide for structured meal ideas. Challenge. Cravings for high sodium snacks. Solution. Opt for low-sodium alternatives and keep healthy snacks accessible. Is the DASH diet suitable for everyone, or are there considerations to keep in mind? Is the DASH diet right for you? Who stands to benefit the most from the DASH diet? And are there any limitations? The DASH diet is beneficial for individuals aiming to lower blood pressure, lose weight, or improve overall health. However, those with specific health conditions should consult a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. It's adaptable and can be tailored to meet various nutritional needs and preferences. Ready to get started? let's explore practical steps to begin your DASH diet journey. Implementing the DASH diet. Practical steps. How can you seamlessly transition into the DASH diet without feeling overwhelmed? Step 1. Gradually reduce your sodium intake by choosing fresh, unprocessed foods. Step 2. Increase your intake of fruits and vegetables to boost fiber and nutrient consumption. Step 3. Plan and prepare meals ahead of time to ensure adherence to DASH principles. Step 4. Monitor your progress, noting improvements in weight and overall well-being. Embarking on the DASH diet can be a transformative step toward achieving your weight loss and health goals. Remember, it's not about perfection, but making consistent, healthier choices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more insights into healthy living. Have questions or personal experiences with the DASH diet? Drop them in the comments below. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.